I'm gonna show you how to make a vertical slide transition in Premiere Pro. Let's go, guys!
Play your song and push M on your keyboard to set a marker for each beat drop that you hear. Now duplicate your video 3 times by holding Alt and dragging above. With the top clip highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and modify left crop to 75%. Now highlight the third clip and modify left crop to 50% and right crop to 25%. Click on the second clip and modify left crop to 25% and right crop to 50%. Highlight the bottom clip now and modify right crop to 75%. Now move your timeline slider to the first marker and highlight video 3. Then hold Ctrl and push K to cut the clip and delete the start of the video. Move your slider to the second marker now and highlight video 1. Then perform another cut and delete the start of the video. Now perform these same steps again, starting with video 4, then moving to video 2, cutting each clip at their markers and deleting the start of the videos.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.